Gucci. They could be fake, honestly.
Look how big this is. Who is wearing this?
No freaking way. What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. The day has come, the $5,000 mystery box. I never thought I'd be here, but I want to give back because that is a lot of money to just waste on an eBay box. So I want to give back in two ways. One way, to a charity. Now, I want to give 250 bucks to a charity. Now, with these boxes, it is expensive, but I do typically make my money back with the stuff that I get. I sell it on my website to you guys, and I make the ad revenue off the video, so I typically get a decent return. I make my money back on the video, so it's entertaining for me. It's kind of like a win-win situation, but I do want to give back because I'm spending that money, so I want to get to a charity. Now, I've asked you guys about a few different charities, and there's a few like American Red Cross, water.org. There's a few that I found. I'm gonna do a little bit more research after this video as well. I'm gonna put up a poll here, and you guys get to select which charity to donate to. Help me out, as well as if you know some other ones for future videos, let me know in the comments down below. As well as, I wanna give back by giving you guys a mystery box. It's gonna be about $100 to $200 mystery box. Give it away for free. All you have to do, follow me on Instagram down below, and then comment on this video your Instagram handle and why you like this video. Also, for that giveaway, you have to subscribe to the channel, so go ahead and subscribe if you don't already. Now let's go ahead. I'm not gonna talk too much. Show you guys the footage of me buying this so you guys can see that I actually purchased it. Come back here, open this up, and see if we took a fat L. Let's go. So we're back to buy a mystery box, and I'm not gonna talk too much because every time I do this, you guys say I talk too much. We're just gonna type in, I've already typed it in, Hypebeast designer mystery box 50. There's one on here already. I know which one it is that I want to buy, so that's why I'm trying to get to it. Okay, so here it is right here. Designer Hypebeast mystery box, $5,000 or best offer, free shipping. So let's go ahead and check it out. So as you can see right here, there's the picture. There's another picture, and it has the Jumpman box. So I'm gonna go down and see. In this box, you'll get items from Off-White, Gucci, and more. I'm a trusted reseller and have acquired a lot of the items for a good deal, and we'll hook you up. Hi YouTube if this gets sold. They know this where this is going, so this can go two ways. It could either go really good or really bad because they could troll. But I do think that if they send you like a box of nothing, you can't get your money back. So I think eBay protects you on that. All items are authentic. Just peep the second pick. I'll say no more. And the second pick is indeed the Jumpman whatever, and that is from the Off-White Jordans, but that could mean anything. So I've looked at this already. The person has pretty decent feedback. They have 100% feedback off of like 20 different listings, so that's not too bad. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this, and I'll show you guys everything once I get it. I don't want to show you guys my zip code. Confirming and paying right now. We're about to load it. I don't want to show my address. I've put it out there too many times. Order confirmed, as you can see right here. Order placed. Let's see, estimated delivery. Let's wait a few days. I think this will be quick. Hopefully, it said it was in like New York, so it shouldn't take too long. And see what we get. We're ready to open this package. Looks like they didn't do too much damage to it, but let's go ahead. Let's just do this. Bringing flashbacks back from the last time when we had the mystery box, a $3,000 one. So let's just open this up. Okay, now I'm getting nervous. It's actually happening. The box has been sitting here for a day or two. I'm gonna put it this way. Hopefully nothing falls out. It seems kind of heavy, so I think the weight of the package said like 10 pounds. Sounds like stuff is falling out. All right, ready? Alex is behind the camera. We're gonna get a little bit of his reaction too. We got a note. Hold on. Before anything comes out, we got a note. You fell for the trap. Good job, mate. Hi, YouTube. This is giving me great confidence for this freaking box. This note, I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's open this up. I don't want to look. I'm gonna give you guys first look. Alex, are you ready? How we looking? Looks like there's just a bunch of wrapping.
Can't see anything.
Can't see anything? All right, what about now? Is there anything?
Yeah, there's one thing.
One thing. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Okay, everything's falling. I want to be able to show you guys this, so I'm gonna hold this up a little bit, like this. Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, some juicy, okay, everything's falling. Let me put this down. We got some juicy fruit, and it's been eaten. It smells like juicy fruit. I don't, value one, how much is this, $1? $4,999 to go. Let's keep going. Wow, here we go. Looks like we got a good amount of stuff here. A bunch of bubble wrap. I guess that's good, they protected it. Let's get this out of here. I see a shoebox. Let me move this way. I see a shoebox. It looks like there's some decent stuff in here, so a Nike Air Force One shoebox. Okay, so we got a Nike Air Force One right here. Let's go ahead. Ooh, Oh, okay. First thing I see is it comes with these different swooshes. That is just like the Travis Scott Air Force Ones I have, but these are like all the way around. I feel like I've seen these before. This is like an Easter color. So this wraps all the way around, and it's like this off-white. This is sick. These are really sick, actually. So this comes off. This whole, I guess it comes under here, and this whole thing comes off. That's really sick. I've seen people wear pictures where they have like all the swooshes. So let's see what colors that came with it. This is like, we have like the pink. This is like Easter colors. I feel like this is like Easter. Then the black, I like the black ones. Let's throw these on real quick. Let's see what these look like. I've seen the people who like do, I think they had these in black too, but I don't think these sold for too much. I think these were like 150. If I had to guess resale, I would say like 180, 230 around there. Those are cool, that's clean. I like how it's off-white too. It's not like directly pure, just not like screaming bright white. It's like normal off-white, so you can kind of like beat them up. So these I don't think for go too much. I would say like 200 bucks maybe, or let's go in the middle, 200 bucks on these, which is not too bad. So I'm actually pleased with this. These are a pair that I'd actually wear, so I probably won't sell these because I really like Air Force Ones and how they fit. And this has removable, oh, it has the removable Velcro there too. They are indeed my size. He messaged me and asked for my different sizes, and 10.5 is mine. So I'm actually really hyped on this. This is actually pretty dope. It's not worth 5,000, but I like, Alex, do you approve of these?
Yes.
He's got them. All right, cool. Let's just keep it moving. Let's see. I feel some wrapping in here. This looks like a hanger. I'm not sure why it would be wrapped up like this. A Kenzo hanger. Kenzo parrot. Where's the Kenzo that goes along with this? I would think that there would be something that goes with this, but I guess not. Did they buy something Kenzo and then just send me this, or is there something in here? If I had to guess the value of this, we're looking at 20 bucks because Kenzo, it's a nicer brand, but 20 bucks on that. That's all I got for that. I mean, it's going decent, but not good enough. Let's see what's next. We had a pair of black shorts, but ooh, they're kind of silky. Wait, stop. Look at that. They're not new, I don't think. These have to be real. Look, it's Gucci right there. These are sick. They look a little short. There's no tag on it, so I don't know. It says size 48, but these are sick. Alex, are these sick?
Yeah, they're sick.
Like a silky material. These have to be a good chunk of money because anything Gucci, they could be fake, honestly, but I don't think they would do the tags like that. Got the Gucci down the side. I've seen Gucci Mane wear a lot of stuff like this, and I've never bought any Gucci shorts or anything because they are like 600 bucks. So if I had to guess, these would be like $600. That's not too bad. That would be like we're like 800 bucks so far. So I'm gonna put the actual totals up on the screen, but these are dope. These are actually dope. They smell new. So these with the Air Force Ones, I think these are sick. So I'm down with those. I really like those. Time to keep it moving. I see something really weird. Some fajita tortillas. Expires on 5/26/2018, so they're expired. Thanks for including juicy fruit and tortillas. That's a nice little snack I can eat while I'm doing this unboxing. Well, let's keep feeling. A lighter. It's lit. Okay, that's pretty cool. What does it have on there? It's green, so it looks like it'd be used for something bad, but it says it's lit. Let's keep it moving and see what else we got. I guess I can see this right here. We have some more wrapping. Let's open this up. Ooh, okay, it looks like we have Kenzo, so maybe this is for what, the hanger. This bag is huge, okay? It says Kenzo. I don't have anything Kenzo, but I've obviously seen stuff before. This is nice and purple. This, let's see, 80s short from Kenzo. What the heck are these? These look like freaking parachute pants. What the heck are these? They're like, they have slats here. Look how they go up the back. This looks like a freaking costume. Purple 80s short. Kenzo Paris. I might have to put these on and see how these look. Just for you guys. I don't know what size. Let's see. A size 38. I don't know what. Hopefully these fit. Those are very interesting. They have this nice belt loop. I guess it is designer. It is weird designer, but it is designer. If I had to guess, these are like 400 bucks. So we're around like 1,200 if I had to guess. Okay, I feel a box. Universal thread, women's shirt. My girlfriend might like this. This is 10 bucks on clearance, so we can add $10 to that. I don't know if I can put this on. Very interesting. Let's keep moving. Another Target clearance, a baby bottle. This person literally just went to Target and found some creepy stuff. $5, so we got $15 on top. Doesn't surprise me. These mystery boxes, there's always something weird, so let's keep moving. I guess at least the people are entertained. I feel a bag right here. David Yurman. This is in the nice section of the mall around where I am, so I assume this is pretty nice. It's actually wrapped up nicely too. Got this, comes with like a little pamphlet. I don't think they make fake David Yurman. Maybe they do, but with the stuff they've given, comes with like a cool little pouch. It's just thank you card from David Yurman. I wonder what this could be. Okay, we got the nice little ribbon. Let's take this off. David Yurman. I think I've seen nice rings and stuff for them, so maybe I got a nice fire ring. Ooh, that's kind of sick. It just looks like a bracelet. I don't know how you get it open. See, it's kind of like a rubbery, and then it's got, I guess, sterling silver up there, 925. It's like a brushed aluminum. That's pretty cool. Oh, you twist it. That's how it comes off. Nice little bracelet here. Let's see if it fits me. Let's hope it fits me. This is kind of cool. It's like a rubbery. I don't know how much David Yurman goes for, though. I don't know. Alex, you ever shopped with them? No. If I had to guess, this would be like $300. David Yurman. It's just a very simple material, but it's a little big, but I like this. This is pretty dope, actually. This person is actually not doing me too wrong. I don't know if I'm being... Alex, will you look up how much like David Yurman bracelets are? Alex said they go for like $400 or $500. That's actually pretty nice, and I don't think this is fake. So far from what we've seen, the last box where there was fake stuff, I knew there was fake stuff for this. I've never seen David Yurman in a mystery box, so maybe this person actually is knowing what they're doing. So thank you for that so far. I think we're at like $1,700 so far. We're still not there yet, but we got a long ways to go. There's a ribbon. That is a huge tassel. I'm gonna pull this out. Oh God, I see something freaking pink. What the heck? This is massive. What in the world? What brand is this? This is Marquis Alminia. What the heck is this? This is huge. This is freaking massive. Is this not just ginormous? Hold on, I gotta scoot this back. I gotta put this on. I've never heard of this brand before. Is this nice? Alex, Google this while we're at it. Oh my God, this is freaking huge. This is so big. Who would wear this? What? This is like a thin ribbon. I kind of want to wear this, but at the same time, I feel like it's gonna be distracting. Alex, do we have a price on this? Do you know how much? $300 is my guess. I don't know. Alex is gonna look it up. We'll update you in a minute. This is huge. What size is this? Ow, this got caught in my freaking hair. This is a size of medium. What the heck? This is ridiculous. Talk about freaking oversized. We have a lot of purple, pink, and a nice women's flannel. This does look like a lot of like lighter clothes. But hey, maybe that one will go up on the website for one of you guys if you want it. And if you guys don't know, when I do these mystery boxes, I do list stuff on my website that I don't intend on keeping, but not obviously, like, I don't think anybody's gonna buy this, but if you do, hit me up. Let's keep going. I want to put the box towards you guys. I don't want to look. There's been some good stuff so far though, so what just fell? A sweatshirt? Is everything falling or am I good? You guys can see what's in there, I can't. What is this? It looks like Heron Preston. Ooh, this is sick. This is actually really sick. Obviously, I've got some Heron Preston. I really like some of their sweatshirts. I haven't bought any because it's nice and warm out now. It's like 90 degrees. This actually looks really nice. 24-hour Psycho. Got the flames. It's kind of like an old like airbrush t-shirt. I really like how they do like the lining on the bottom. I think these are like $500-600, so that's actually pretty good. Oh, it's got the flames on the inside continuing. I'm actually very happy with this. I'm gonna keep this on for the remainder of the video actually. I like this. Ooh, it's got the strap on the back. It's a 24-hour Psycho. So I did figure out that their little symbol there means style in Russian, I believe, so that's pretty cool. I'm lit with this. It kind of is like a wash look too. Very good with that. So thank you whoever made this box for that, but we're still not at our point yet. What are we at, like 2,500 maybe? Yeah. Let's say 2,500. We're halfway there. There better be something freaking good in there. And the picture on the listing had an off-white Nike box. And if that's in here, I'm gonna freak out. Let's see. Let's keep moving. What do we got? Is there something else right here? Yeah. What is this? Is this so good? Yeah. What's good? Ooh, off-white bag. Whoa! Look at the freaking retail on that. $1,120? Dang, what is this? Let's see what this is. It's from Barney's. What is this? Off-white? Dang, this is, ooh, it's got like a cut-off sleeve on the side. Dang, I think this is real. I don't think this is fake. Has a Barney's tag on it. Look at that. That is pretty sick. Off-white sunset and lust. I'm not even gonna say that because somebody's gonna roast me. 2017. I guess this is an older one. This is pretty cool though. It's got like a skyline and a sunset. I really like that in the cutoff sleeve. Should I switch to this one? Why not? Every piece I get, I'm just gonna switch to. I might have to put it on for you guys though. $1,120 retail is a lot. That's pretty cool. I like this. Another thumbs up. $1,120, that'll be at like $3,700. This guy might have done something. I don't know. This is really cool actually. I really like this. This is like, typically with these mystery boxes, I sell everything. This actually is not looking like an L. I feel like we're at like 30, let's say 30. If I were to sell it, I don't know. let's say $3,600. So we still got like $1,400 to go. I don't know if we're better than last time. How much stuff do we have left in here, Alex? One item? Okay, this is scary because this one item better be. Does it look good?
Yep.
It looks good?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna just feel. I'm gonna do a blind feel. Feels like a bag, but there's a shoebox in it. Okay, I'm about to check this. All right, I see a tan box. No way. No freaking way. Please be freaking real. Please. No. Okay, guys, there's no, if these are freaking fake, I'm going to be so mad. We're at like 3,600. If these are what these are, we're past 5,000. Please, I literally have not even, I don't even think I've held these in my hand. Let's see. Okay, all the paper looks good. I love how the box is inside out. I'm freaking hyped right now. Let's just open it. I gotta close my eyes. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Please. Where are we? Okay, I gotta shoot. No freaking way. These, oh my gosh. These are so freaking sick. I think these are real. Let me pull the other one out. There's a stock, I mean, people make fake StockX tags, but I think there's a scan code I can try in the back. These look pretty good. I know they make good fakes. If these are real, I don't know if I can keep these because that's like 2 racks. I'm gonna look up how much these go for. Size 10.5 is $2,100. That is insane. If this dude bought these for retail, that's a come up on this box because that makes sense. $2,100. I just like, for me, I'm like, do I keep these and have a fire shoe or do I make $2,000 and I can get like the UNC one? I really want to put them on, but at the same time I don't because I don't want to undead stock them if I'm trying to sell them. I want these so bad. The price has just gone up so much on these. It's like, you guys know I want to be able to make my money back off of these boxes, but like, I want to keep everything. And just kidding, not everything. Guys, I'm just like, I've been sitting here for a couple minutes just debating like, what do I do? And it's like, I can keep them obviously, but if you guys are my shoes, you just spent $5 grand on a box. Aren't you gonna try to get as much money back out of it as possible? This was the best box I've ever seen on YouTube. If I'm being honest, or at least from what I've done, I don't feel like I took an L on this. I could sell, I don't know if I could sell some of the other stuff, but I think I need to put on some of the goofy items together and show you guys what it looks like. What has my life come to? These freaking shorts are so weird. Why is it? That makes no sense. All right, well, look how high up these go on my waist and then the back. This is like an out, like what? Let's put on this sweatshirt with it. Oh my God.
Look how big this is. Who is wearing this?
What the heck? What a combo. Let me tuck this in. Boys, oh my Lord, this is interesting. But that is gonna wrap it up, guys. I hope you did enjoy. If you wanna see another mystery box, I don't know if I can do another one after this. I don't know if I can top this. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison, signing out.